Wanna enjoy perfectly grilled chicken wings without charcoal, skewers, or grill? Stick around until the end of the video.
Oh, it's yummy!
Last night, I marinated the chicken with saffron water, yogurt, garlic, salt, black pepper, turmeric, and onion, and a bit of oil. Then left it in the fridge overnight. Now it's ready to go to the air fryer with some tomatoes. Okay, put the chickens into the air fryer. The chicken program and turn on it.
Yummy! Wow!
And finally, here it is, the most delicious grilled wings you will ever taste in your life.